welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2019 Jaguar XE S. Some of this car's key features include the Portofino Blue paintwork, the panoramic roof, the ebony perforated grain leather interior, this gloss figured wood veneer, the Jaguar Leaper embossed on the front headrest, in-control apps Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. Now around the front of the car you get features such as chrome roaring Jaguar badging, LED headlights, parking sensors and silver trim. The car sits on these 17-inch sparkle silver alloys with the roaring Jaguar centre cap. To the side of the car you get chrome trim around the windows except for the B-pillar, which is gloss black. And down here on the front wing you get this piece of trim with the Jaguar script. And to the rear of the car you get features such as LED tail lights, chrome badging, parking sensors and dual exit exhaust pipes. Now this car is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine making around 178 brake horsepower. And that power goes to all 4 wheels through this ZF AHP automatic gearbox. Some of this car's other features include electric adjustment for the front seats, these Jaguar branded door sill trims, an electrically adjustable steering column, this leather multifunction steering wheel, this digital cockpit display, this Touch Pro infotainment system which includes satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth and voice control, dual zone climate control which can be partially controlled through this screen, and Jaguar drive control which includes dynamic mode, comfort mode, eco mode and rain, ice and snow mode. That's our 2019 Jaguar XE S.